Hey there guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. So in this video, I'll show you how to make this amazing PowerPoint template in just 4 minutes. So tag along and watch the video till the end. By the way, you can download it for free from the link in the description below. The first thing you have to do is insert a triangle, then rotate it horizontally and then vertically, and then move it into the top right corner, and then duplicate it by pressing Ctrl plus D and increase the duplicated shape size and send it to the back. Change its color to black, go to format background, format shape, click on fill and give it two color fill of white and black. And you're gonna change its direction if you want accordingly, according to whatever you want. Increase the transparency of the white color, close the format background. Duplicate this triangle and you're gonna send it to the back again. So this is how it looks right now. Next, we're gonna go and insert a picture as the background. Be sure to use a high resolution image because that impacts on your PowerPoint a lot. So this is the image that I'm using. Let's give all of these some transparency. And now what you have to do is close the format background after giving transparency to the black gradient stops. Next, we're gonna go to Insert tab and insert a text box in which we're gonna write our header, the title that describes what our template is about. So as you can see, this template is about traveling. So I'll just use a similar one title. Remove its fill, give it an outline from format text options. Duplicate it and give it a fill and remove its outline and align it to the right side, and we're going to add our different text. Duplicate it again and give a third subtitle, which is going to be the same title, like whatever that describes your template. Next, we're going to insert a one corner rectangle, give it an outline of white color, remove its fill, give it a like text, any word that you have to write that you want to highlight in this like template. So I'll just give it a fill of red color after duplicating it. So these are the two buttons that we'll use for navigation. If you want to give it a like hyperlink, you can just give it and watch my other videos to see how to give a hyperlink. Next, we're gonna add our website's name or the thing that we're our company's name. We'll put it into the top left corner. Next, the next thing we're gonna do is insert other buttons like home, contact us, and destinations, tickets, and booking, and everything else like this. So these are just to fill up the space. So I'll just use them. You can customize them according to your preferences. Let's align them and distribute them horizontally and then vertically as well so that they have equal distance. You can give them equal distance manually as well. If you like our video, be sure to subscribe to our YouTube channel and also hit the bell icon. And we make really hard to make this template, so please make sure to comment down and also appreciate us by subscribing to our YouTube channel. And as you can see, we also provide free templates in our link to the descriptions, and they are completely free to use. You can use them for your own purposes, so please make sure to appreciate us and please subscribe to our YouTube channel to appreciate us. Also, check out our Patreon link and our Pinterest link from the About section of our YouTube channel, and you can find a lot of crazy and really nice, interesting stuff from there that is completely for free. Next, what we're gonna do is insert some more text and links to our like anything like Facebook, social media, Instagram, Snapchat, or anything else. We're gonna write three lines right here, and then we're gonna group them and put them right here like this. And this is how it looks right now. Select all of them, move them to the right side. This is how our final template looks like. Let's subtract this outside our shape that is out of the slide. So this is how our entire template looks like. If you like this video, be sure to subscribe to our YouTube channel and also hit the bell icon.